Did you know that black-eyed peas are really beans and not peas? If you ask any commercial farmer or any backyard gardener which is their least favorite vegetable or plant to harvest, I will be willing to bet about more than 50% will say black-eyed peas or any form of bean are not their favorite to harvest. And the reason behind that is that you are constantly bent over and it causes back pain. Well, today I'm going to show you how you can grow black-eyed peas vertically and reduce having back pain completely. Let's go. So hopefully you can see me very well. These are the 4 tiers of my green stalk planter. And with this, I can grow black-eyed peas vertically going up as opposed to stretching out with little or no back pain whatsoever. So what I'm going to do, I have some black-eyed peas that I started inside the house in my grow tent. I'm going to plant these and then place them on their tier one by one. I also have some extra zucchini plants that I'm going to plant in some of the containers here. And I have some Burmese okra. I'm not going to plant in the planter, but I'm going to put out in one of my raised beds. So we're going to start with the black-eyed peas first. And this is what they look like. It's a 6-cell tray. And 5 of these in this one came up. And all I'm going to do is press down with my middle and index finger. Now I can plant 6 of these at one time. So that's what I'm going to do. These are really ready to go. The roots, I don't know if you can see them, but they're hanging out and coming out. One there, one there, there. And one there. Okay, we're going to go over to the other side and plant the rest of these. Okay, as you can see, all the tiers are assembled. The bottom is the one that has the squash, and the top three have the beans, black-eyed peas. And I don't know if those of you that have followed my channel for a while know that with the green stalk, you can fill the top reservoir with water, which is what I'm going to do now. And there we go. The water will come down and distribute to the little gray vases that are on the other three, and distribute the water through holes in the system itself. And I'm going to go ahead and go back to shower mode, and I'm ever so slightly going to water each plant. Perhaps you can hear the water draining down. And there we go. Excuse me. I believe that the green stalk is going to be okay sitting here. I have it on a plastic container, and it's kind of level. Green stalks are pretty heavy once they get filled with water. The soil gets filled with water, so I don't think it'll go anywhere. And we're not scheduled to have any bad weather anytime soon, so should be comfortable here. Now, some of the most obvious reasons for growing plants like this. Number one, you can grow more plants vertically in a small amount of space. We have in the first three tiers 18, we have 18 black-eyed pea plants, and in mainly a 2x3 area. And in the bottom tier, we have three squash plants. Squash plants can get kind of big, but they'll be able to grow here in their own little area pretty well. Another reason, as I said before, it's less wear on your back, less wear on your body, period. And aesthetically, The third reason, aesthetically, it looks good growing in a tower like this. So tell me what you think. Leave me a comment in the comment section of the video and tell me what you think. Would this be something that would benefit you to start growing vertically like this, so you can save the wear and tear on your back? Leave me a comment one way or another. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we replanted or restocked rather my green stalk planter with black-eyed peas and squash. In my previous small space garden, I love the green stalk. I could grow any and everything in it. And I want to be able to do the same here. So this is a start. My other one is my other green stalk is in transit. And when it gets here, we're going to plant stuff in that as well. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables and plants by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, the notification bell all, and leave me a comment. I'll be sure to reply. You can also share my content. And let's try to get this video up to 100 likes. The more likes, the more plays that the video gets, which is what I am trying to do to get my viewership up. And hopefully by the end of the year, we'll reach the goal that I have set for myself. And every little bit helps. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.